What's up? Show you my room. It's my deck. Fires are over there somewhere. Here's Blake's room. Fridge. See the UFC shirt? Badass. Bathroom, I just bought this thing. It's pretty cool. Shampoo, all that good shit. Yep. And there's my shit. A drawer, my grill, all that good shit. Here's my closet. Whoops. Got a little cover in front of it, you know, all good. And come in here. Now you can't really see, but there's my clothes. All my other stuff. There's the dudes I met. Yeah. Here's my shelf. Got my little collage. Mom, you're calling me right now. I told you I'll call you back. Here's my bed, my couch, my Rat Pack poster, Led Zeppelin. A quick little, there's what Mom bought me. There's my Goodfellas poster. And there's my lamp. Yep. Whoops. My TV. Let me show you the view from when I sit down. Put my feet up just like I'm at home. Watch some TV. My laptop. Computer. My window. That's about it. Alright, fellas. See you later.